ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, today we are gonna talk about another awesome project. It's a newly launched AI based project. The project name is vflow.ai. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer: this is not investment advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. So make sure do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So first of all, you can check out the interface. I am here on the website homepage. You can check out their home, service, white paper, pricing, team, sports center, affiliate. You can also register by your affiliate link, forums, blog, and also social links mentioned. You can check out view synthetic bots. You can check out 400 strategies in trading pair. Welcome to our homepage. vFlow offer an ecosystem service powered by artificial intelligence. We focus on delivering innovation service order to generate value for our token holder ecosystem powered by vFlow token. It's also vFlow token. You can check out their services. Trading engine, vFlow, OKX, staking, launch NFT and rare world assets token. You can also check out the Flow token. The utility token is the main shift on the ecosystem. More specifically, it grant access to all our services. Furthermore, the token holder grant discount and airdrop based on their account level. The more tokens holder have their wallets, more benefit they get. So if you hold more token, you will be get huge reward from here. You can also check out their reward discount staking. You can also check out their 5% annual staking RW token access NFTs token election. You can check out their token total supply. So guys, this token based on, you can check out their total supply. And this project token election based on team advisor, marketing, development, staking, reverse wallet, pre-sale token, community support, reward, and everything provided here. You can check out all the information. So you can check out their team and advisor token is 60%, and marketing business development is 4%, staking 18%, reserve wallet 18%, and community support is rewards wallet 28%. This is Binance Smart Chain BNB their chain. You can check out their domicile is 18. So now we talk about the supported by Series 1, T-Flow, OKX, 3A Commons and Coin Store. So you can check out as seen in AP, Abu Dhabi, Blooming, Crunch, Cross, Modi Analytics. So now you can check out their TFC and every detail product here. You can join their social links. Now we are gonna talk about the vFlow token on the white paper. So firstly, we are gonna talk about the vFlow token. Welcome to the vFlow token. The TGE date, project name is value flow, and the ticker is vFlow. Type of token BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. Their total supply, burn functionality is yes, mint functionality yes, it cover possibilities, taking rewards running out. At MetaMask, you can check out their audit report, and this is the official contract address. You can copy it and go to, then you can add it to your wallet. The vFlow wallets. Community wallet tokens 16 million, and wallet name staking reward 45 million, reserve wallet 45 million, and their team and advisor 40 million, wallet pre-sale token is 40 million, and the vFlow developers NFT and marketing wallet is 10 million. You can check out all the, simply click on go to wallet, and you can also check out here. So the project roadmap, simply click on vFlow project roadmap. You can check out their roadmap. I'm here on the official roadmap. You can check out vFlow project roadmap. So first of all, this is December 2023 swap TG. Complete the swap process, token generation, event application sent to launch pool. Marketing activities, business development, January 2024, March 2024, it's this month. Launching, listing, RWA pool launch, staking 25/3 launch offering, IO, marketing activities 200 listing, and question for 2024-20, and you can check out their launch on DeFi Smart Value and the launch on 200 RWA pool, third RWA pool, launch vFlow crypto fund, and you can check out their platform beta version and the launch 4, launch the vFlow platform full version, launch the vFlow crypto exchange. You can use launch a vFlow crypto exchange as a P2P sale like Binance. So guys, it's also possible to use Flow exchange for as a P2P private sale. So now we're gonna talk about vFlow swap option. If I click on vFlow swap option, you can check out there. Step 1, withdraw your T-Flow tokens from Bitmart and P2P send money your MetaMask wallet by trading already stopped. You can send your T-Flow token add to fill in the below, and you can check out token swap name, surname, username, and their phone number with a country code, email, wallet, MetaMask Trust wallet address, and to the token transaction hash ID, your message. Then click on I'm not a robot and simply fill it and click on submit. You can check out the information provided here. Now we're gonna talk about why XL flow swap. If I click on flow swap, you can check out their step 1, step 2. You can also fill the transaction hash and everything and simply click on submit. Now we're gonna taking a review about their service trading engine. You can this project providing trading engine, VFlow OKX bot, VFlow synthetic bots, reward assist token, non-fungible token. It's mean NFT marketplace, taking reward, copy trading, DeFi smart wallet. If I click on NFT marketplace, you can check out the NFT marketplace, work with VFlow NFT marketplace, GR traded collection. You can check out their USDT prices also mentioned here. Crypto world collection, you can check out your crypto emotion collection and blockchain direction collection, their pricing. If I click on pricing option, you can check out all the price here. So guys, now we're talking about VFlow service pricing. You can check out their trading technology is a package at 30 days at 45 USDT, 120 days 128 USDT package with 365 days. You can check out there. VFlow holders can 20% discount, pay with VFlow token. Copy trading class can register VFlow copy trading, connect the exchange. Basically, what is copy trading? Copy trading means you can copy the pro exchanges strategies and you can follow the pro exchanges, and this is the copy trading. You will be earn lot of income from here. This is a decentralized finance, non-fungible token, real world as this. You can also check out their prices flow token. This is silver, gold, platinum. You can simply click on buy VFlow token, simply click on buy free token, and then simply you can buy it. It's very easy method. Simply I click on team option. After clicking the team, you simply click on join the team. You can check out the CEO founder, everything provided here. This is sports center and the social link also provided here. If I click on Twitter, you can check out their VFlow service Twitter handle. Simply I click on follow option. You can check out British journals and the joined October 2023. They have a 3000 plus followers. You can check out their pinned post and hello CoinGecko application ID, and this project also going to listed on CoinGecko. If I scroll down, you can check out there all the information. This is a coin store. If I click on coin store, you can check out VFlow product detail, product page, VFlow fixed product devices by with API reaching out to 150% subscription period, and the introducing VFlow. This is official coin store post. Dive into Realme and the VFlow is a ensure fixed term agreement vast your investment. For more detail, you can check out their coin store and 150% APR, and you can check out their VFlow token staking product detail. You can also check out official website, download coin store, and you can also follow the all the information, and you can check out every details with very informative. You can also check out their round of pre-sale launch pad. And if I come back on the coin store, and this is the official YouTube channel of the VFlow token. They have 200 subscribers. Simply I provide this channel link in video description. Simply click on subscribe, then click on all option, and you will be notified of our all updates. You can check out they already uploaded very many videos, and you can check out their Twitter account. Simply they have 1000. So I don't log in my Twitter account, so simply I click on back option. They have, you can check out their VFlow service. They have 1600 plus follower, and you can check out the information here. So this social links also mentioned. You can also check out. This is the affiliate login register for blog. You can also check out their blogs. And if I scroll down, you can also fill the forums. If I click on forum option, you can check out their forums. Forums is also available. You can also check out their role and VFlow global community. So now the main thing is you can register as a affiliate link, and you can use the affiliate link. You will be achieve your target. The connect password it will show below. Enter your password, then simply you need to enter password. I am entering a strong password. Please do not share your personal details to anyone. So simply I entering a strong password for my account protection. I also recommend you use a strong password for every website. This connect password protected. To release, please enter password below, and then simply click on enter option. After clicking the enter option, the affiliate will be successfully generated. So simply enter your password, and you can also easily, it's very easy method. You can also protected by affiliate login. You can also the official their copy trading, RWA pool, DeFi smart values, NFT staking, privacy policy, eShop account login, NFT account login, affiliate login, and you can also use the account login. This is the NVT connect with the MetaMask, and you can check out their smart collection. Simply click on connect with MetaMask and simply enter your password of the MetaMask. MetaMask is loading, so let's wait how much time it take. Simply I entering my password. After entering the password, you can check out. I simply click on unlock option. After clicking the unlock option, so let's wait some seconds. So guys, my wallet has been successfully connected. Then you can check out there my NFT profile, and my wallet has successfully connected. So it's a very amazing project. You can buy it, hold it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.